welcome back to Tesla's Towels. It sounds like a Tesla with a towel, really, doesn't it? But it's not. You know where I'm coming from. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, I'm Richard, and I'd like to say I'm your friendly host, but I kind of make it up as I go along. A topic that's caused quite a bit of a stir lately, and it's hit mainstream media. It relates to the protests against Elon Musk's Gigafactory expansion in Berlin. Do the protesters have a point? Is Tesla doing enough to protect our planet and environment? And what exactly went on during these protests? Let's see what we do know. So let's set the scene. Recently, a bunch of environmental activists organised a protest at Tesla's Gigafactory just outside of Berlin. Their aim to halt expansion due to worries about the environment and the impact. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of what the protesters did and what the protesters were about, let's have a quick peek at the Gigafactory. Tesla's Gigafactories are colossal. They're production hubs designed to manufacture electric cars, batteries, and solar gizmos on a massive scale. These factories play a pivotal role in Elon Musk's grand plan to fast-track the world's transition to sustainable energy. And boy, are they impressive. Did you know that once the Gigafactory in Nevada is finished, it will be the largest building in the world? It's absolutely enormous. Now let's talk numbers. Tesla has been a game changer in the electric vehicle market, and their efforts to protect the planet are downright praiseworthy. They've already managed to save a whopping 75 million tonnes of CO2 emissions by 2023 with their electric vehicles. What's more, their gigafactories run on renewable energy like solar and wind power, which further lessens their carbon footprint. So it's fair to say they're doing a whole lot to be environmentally friendly, right? But not everyone agrees. The recent protests have raised concerns about the local environmental impact of these mammoth factories. Protesters argue that building and expanding gigafactories harm the local wildlife and ecosystems. It's a fair concern, and we need to strike a balance between industrial growth and preserving the environment. So what went down at the protests? Luckily, it was mostly peaceful. Protesters gathered, chanted slogans, and held up signs to make their voices heard. Thankfully, there were no injuries reported. The protest served as a strong act of civil disobedience, aiming to raise awareness rather than cause concern. But what did they actually achieve? Well, the protesters definitely made the headlines and got people talking. It's crucial that companies like Tesla are held accountable and ensure that their operations don't harm the environment. However, it's also clear that Tesla is making a huge stride towards sustainability. It's a complex issue with valid arguments on both sides. In the end, it's up to you to decide if the protesters are right. It's important to ask, though, the tough question and demand transparency and accountability. But it's worth acknowledging the positive global impact that Tesla is making. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to Tesla's Towels UK. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and for more Tesla news and stories, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Gigafactory protests. Do they have a point, or is Tesla on the right track? Until next time, drive safely, stay committed to sustainable energy. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.